With an InRiver connector from LanguageWire, you can save time by translating product information directly from your InRiver PIM. In this how-to video, see how easy it is to set up a connector and order translations in the InRiver Product Marketing Cloud. Setting up the connector is a quick and simple process. You install a package in your InRiver cloud environment and do a simple configuration of the included extensions. Configuration applies your company business rules, like invoicing and preferred translation services, and establishes the link between your InRiver PIM and LanguageWire. To start translation of your product information, log on to the InRiver web portal and go to the Enrich section. To add products for translation, you need to create a new task. Define the task properties, such as name and description. Set the status to New and assign it to a LanguageWire group. Then save the task. Once saved, click on the task to add products for translation. Go to Includes and search for products in your InRiver PIM. Drag and drop products to add them to the task. After you finish adding products for translation, click on the LanguageWire project entity. In the Details tab, you can add information about the project, including title, translation service, work area, terminology, and target languages. After you have entered information about the translation project, click True in Approved for Translation to send the project to LanguageWire. Then click Save. After you save, LanguageWire checks that your product information can be exported and translated. Once product information is translated, it is sent back to your InRiver PIM. To view the translated content, click on the project entity and go to Includes. You can click on each product entity and go to the Details tab to see the translations of the product information. Now you can push your translated product information to sales channels and reach your global audience. Contact us to get started with an InRiver connector.